Cloud Capacity Planning Training Courses, Top 6, Tonex Training. Capacity Planning Training course covers strategies for doing cloud execution examination, system estimating, execution estimations, pattern investigation utilizing DevOps techniques and procedures. Cloud capacity planning and the board procedure works intimately with administration-level administration to guarantee that the business prerequisites for cloud capacity and execution can be met. Cloud and capacity. The board additionally fills in as a point of convergence for any capacity issues in IT service management managing cloud. Who should attend? All the courses are carefully designed for anyone seeking to exploit the benefits of cloud computing technologies, including assessing the mobile cloud, architectures, components, operation, security, performance and tools of cloud computing. Application developers, automation architect, business analysts and managers, business stakeholders, change agents, consultants, DevOps consultants and engineers, individuals involved in IT development, infrastructure architect, integration specialists, IT directors, IT managers, IT operations or IT service management, IT team leaders, lean coaches, network administrators and many other. Top 6 Cloud Computing, Cloud Capacity Planning Training Courses. Capacity Planning Training, 4 days. Cloud Capacity Planning Training, 1 day. Cloud Computing Training, 2 days. Cloud Security Training Crash Course, 3 days. Linux Fundamentals Bootcamp, 3 days. Mobile Cloud Training, 3 days. Request more information regarding Cloud Capacity Planning Training courses. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.